going down, y'all? Just want to say hello and welcome to another episode of Better Than Bad. So today I have no idea what I'm gonna do, as I should start every composite, every idea. Don't necessarily have a direction. There are a few things that I'm looking for today. I'm going to be looking for images that relate to each other and that the lighting source is pretty much the same. But if the sun's coming from this side, you want to make sure that the shadows and all that stuff are the same in your background image. But let's get started. Well, that took longer than expected, but overall it turned out pretty cool. Once again, I had no idea what I was going to be doing. As I was finding different things, I was like, you know what, maybe we should go a little bit more fantasy with it. So found a riding hood, dropped her on a ledge, and then decided the ledge was kind of weak, so threw her on a cliff, changed up the background, and then to tie it all in, I just found a dragon. And it works. I mean, I'm going to pick it apart, but I hope you like it. Take a look.